Lightweight, durable, and highly breathable, the Induction Jacket was designed for the urban adventurer and sport touring aficionado. The military spec, heavy grade, and tear-resistant carbonite mesh fabric yields a highly flexible material, 750% stronger than polyester, commonly found in most mesh jackets today. D3O armor protection in the back, shoulders, and elbows unobtrusively integrate into the Induction Jacket, ready to absorb any impact. High wear areas are reinforced with 840 denier and Vista Cordura, and lightweight yet durable Mazzano fabric finishes out the shell, forming a stylish, symmetrical design. Intelligently placed 3M Scotchlite retroreflective panels provide unmatched visibility in low light conditions, assuring rider visibility amid the competing lights of the city night. Constructed with the same climb quality and excellence found in their most technical rider apparel, the Induction Jacket boasts pinnacle performance components that deliver when lightweight and breathability are paramount.